shoulder, waist, knee, head, marker. Please understood? Waist, shoulder, neck. Unexpected things happen. Okay? And you don't have to do anything. Okay. Head, neck. नहीं करना है, neck नहीं करना है. See, if an instruction which is not there, don't do anything. Ignore. Unexpected things happen. हाँ, correct. Okay, okay. हाँ, इसीलिए तो. Okay. Waist, shoulder, neck. neck नहीं करना है. ध्यान दो. Okay. Knee, head, shoulder, knee, marker.
I would like to say the session was quite interesting and inspiring, and we learned apart from IQ we have EQ also, and how to understand others' emotion and learn and respect others, and first review ourselves and love ourselves. Thank you.
Okay. The session was very interactive, fun. I have done a lot of activity here, which makes improve myself, and it's helpful in developing my confidence and improving my productivity. Thanks.
Audit officer. This session was very informative, especially for an emotional person like me, how to handle the emotional intelligence. That was one of the big lessons for me, and in the day-to-day communication, etc., motivation was very good. How to communicate effectively, it helped me a lot.